Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can start dropshipping using Etsy. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to Etsy.com. After you go to Etsy.com, go ahead and sign into your account. Then you can just go ahead and view some product, and let's suppose if you want to buy a product, you can just go ahead and click on it and it will appear on your screen. Now you can see the type of product it is and see the description of the product, how much time it will take to be in order and to be shipped. You can also see about the shipping and return policies over here, the cost to ship, the shipping place, and you can see the delivery address over here. So if you order today, you will get this at the date over here written here. So it will be same for other products as well. So I'm going to give you an example by clicking on this product over here, and it will have the same format. So you can see that there is the shipping details over here. You can see this drop shipping option. So you can just go ahead and click on buy it now. Now what you can see is this page over here. Now if you have your details saved, you can just go ahead and click on proceed and review, and your Edge or your Google Chrome browser will automatically write down all of this number. So go ahead and click on continue to checkout, and after that click on continue to payment. After you do this, what you need to do is write down your card number and your card name, and after that if you scroll a bit down, you can see the expiration date over here and the security code which is behind your card. Go ahead and click on review your order, write down the OTP code which appears on your screen, and then you can choose the payment method and you can start drop shipping. There are also other ways of paying like PayPal and Google Pay. So if you want to pay using PayPal or Google Pay, you can just go ahead and click on review your order, and after your order is placed, you can check your order once, review it, and then you can start the drop shipping process. So let me show it to you once again. After you open your Etsy account, you can see all of these products over here. You can even search for products which you want, and you can click on the product which you want to drop ship in a bulk. So you can see this is an attractive looking lamp over here. I'm going to drop ship this. You can see that I will get the order within this date, and you can see the exchange option over here as well, and the cost to ship, and the place from where it is being shipped from, and the delivery, which is your drop shipping order placement. So guys, after you follow all these processes, you can easily drop ship using Etsy. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.